Bro, I told you, it's 2 knives. 1 knife, 2 knives.
That's just broken scissors.
Nah. Oh,
You're trash. You're trash.
A little bit. Yeah, so anyways, the prelude go, what the fuck are you doing? Valve cover gasket. Not anymore. Done. Boom. Unstuck. But you know what you haven't heard of yet? Levitating backpack, levitating backpack, levitating backpack. Tonight on Button Gear, this gets stuck. This is wiggly, and we created enough room to remove the bolt.
I can beat somebody else with this.
See how long this thing is. Smack the wall with it.
No, not the wall.
Uh-oh.
Check me out real quick. This valve cover gasket.
Why does it look like that?
We've discovered that it's a truck.
And this is what I'm gonna do to it.
Boy, come to die.
Oh my
God,
This side, it's so good.
You know? Agreed.
Very
Nice
clean.
and shiny, even though it's dusty.
Check side.
Check side.
What the fuck, bro?
Hey, yo! What the heck?
Wait to put my gloves on and PPE because my mom works for OSHA.
Oof.
Does your mommy work for? Oh wait.
Did you break it? Hey, yo!
So you mean to tell me?
A shrimp fried that rice.
Apparently, bro. There's no way. There is no
Ain't no
way.
Ain't no way,
A
boy.
shrimp fried
Ain't no
this.
way.
Ain't no
way. What we learned today. Don't leave your car unattended or somebody gonna draw on your shit. And keep that thing on you at all times.
What a piece of shit.
The fuck is this? The fuck is this? The fuck is this? What the fuck? Why is there fucking 10 quarts? I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no bearings left, bro. You said your trip has how many?
That's 420.
Oh yeah. 420. 420. Funny number. Well, there goes that. Bro, got the ling longs.
Oh, you hating on the ling long?
Yeah, I'm hating on the ling longs.
Got me through day one, bro. Got me through 125 miles per hour.
Alright, man.
I'm saying, bro, the ling longs.
But he got titties too. He got titties. Fuck!
Yeah. Oh my God.
Alright, so I was about to leave the crib, but like I heard something up front, so we gonna find out what's going on. I know it ain't under the hood. Man, what the hold up. Say hello to my new friend.
This is foul.
Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to the Vomitron special.
Bruh.
Damn it, I'm about to vomit.
Bro hasn't washed this in years.
Oh my God.
Maybe it hasn't been running in years. Go. I go like.
Can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
Hey! We did it! Cause a salami lid ain't gonna fit.
Ain't gonna fit. Ain't gonna fit like that. The salami lid. The salami lid. Ain't gonna fit.
Salami lid.
Cause the salami lid
gonna fit.
ain't gonna fit.
The salami
The
lid
salami lid
ain't gonna fit like that.
Damn. Around the world, around the world,
Smacking that
around.
timing belt. Or what's left of it.
Yeah, that timing belt.
Y'all want a blown timing belt? Selling it. $5
Ain't
or
nobody
best
finna
offer.
buy. Ain't nobody finna buy that shit, bro.
I don't know. You can say, hey, I blew a timing belt, and that's why you won. Not because I own a slow piece of garbage car.
Me personally, I wouldn't. Like, bro, that's not supposed to look like that. Would you buy it? Because I sure as hell wouldn't.
I mean, it was a good timing belt, then I cut it.
Was. W-A-S. Was. Not is. Aight? Bro, if this smacks me again, I'm a... Move. Little.
Alright, you wanna know why I would never buy a Chevy? After working at a dealership with one, we got 5 miles. Alright, 5 miles on it. And the alternator went out. Lovely. Pull the plug.
No? Loading. What are you doing?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't do what I wanted to do.
That's so sad. Look, mommy, it's a fish.
Alright, what are you going to do with that?
This is 5x114.3.
Okay.
And the hub is the same size as the G37.
No.
Now, if
No.
you hear me out here,
No.
drift wheels.
No.
It's perfect.
No. Cry about it.
What's to do? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do, 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 do. Wiggle, wiggle.
Around the world, around the world.
There we go. Salami lid ain't gonna fit.
Ain't gonna fit. Ain't gonna fit like that. The salami lid. The salami lid ain't gonna fit.
Fuck me and I'll fuck you. Okay.
No.
Somebody once told me that you and I could be twins. It's because we're orange. It's loud as hell. Every single light, we tighten the lug nuts just to make sure it doesn't come off. So.
Nope.
It's down.
You're lying.
Look, I don't.
Bitch.
Tobias,
What?
I'll give you $5 if you eat one.
Hell no, what the fuck?
Alright, Tobias. Y'all vote down in the comments. Should he VK50 swap?
I'm gonna VK my foot up your ass.
Get out of here.
DE Chronicles right here, baby.
Gotta massage that boy. Oh, yeah. Sometimes we started blasting.
And
Well,
so
fun
this
fact.
being a 3 day, it's gonna be.
Antifreeze tastes like glow sticks.
You are nasty for that.
Glow sticks. Doing the gas station move.
blown your mind?
Whoops.
What?
They got me for my phone.
Dog, what the fuck?
Salami lid won't fit. Won't fit. Cause the salami lid ain't gonna fit. Won't fit. Cause the salami lid won't fit. Cause the salami lid ain't gonna fit. Bro got the box with no tools. Bro got the box with no tools. He got the box with no tools. So, as you can see, this bolt kind of stuck.
Yeah.
And we gotta remove the battery tray, but we gotta drill it out because this thing too rusty.
Rusty, crusty, and dusty.
So, on that terrible disappointment and bombshell, we are gonna end. And this is Top Gear, bottom gear. Tonight on bottom gear, Richard drives a stick.
Yo, Alex. Yo. It's everywhere.
Oh, they got the Puma. No horny.
What the
No
fuck?
horny. No horny. Ah, shit. Fuck, no. Yeah, that's what I call music, hip hop party. Doing pretty good. Oh.
Question today. What the N stand for?
Nigga. What?
Mower number 1, mower number 2. You just compromised your frame over a fucking bolt, man.
Ball sack.
Clearly an issue, right? The fuck do you mean okay? Guess whose wipers just stopped working in the middle of the fucking rain? Required 2 blood sacrifices, actually. I was cleaning the tunnel. It was a Nerf dirt. I want you! I want you for real! Here comes one. Ah, fuck! Oh, Dallas 30! I don't feel like getting rain done. Woo!
You too. What is this?
We got the Dak Dang Pea Shooter, and we got the Piss Blaster 3000. Sometimes this thing just wants to make me. This thing's so clean, water don't even stick to it. Look at the Preludes buyer guide. Number one thing you should know: don't buy a Prelude. Book. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wugga wugga wugga. Oil and coolant don't mix. I don't know. It looks pretty damn mixed to me.
Hey, where you going? Where you going, man?
They got me for my phone. I go like.
Oh, there's more to Prime.
Take 3.
Oh, there's
more to Prime.
There's more to Prime. A truckload more. Why are you turning?
Alright.
Why is Bugs Bunny a car?
Why this thing got a big old forehead?
I don't know. But it looks very similar to this one.
Forehead's bigger than mine, buddy.
Cap.
Hey. 4. Forehead.